Hi guys, today we're gonna make cook up rice. We have some black eyed peas, we have some black beans, we have some coconut milk. I have one whole onion cut up, green seasoning, basil, parsley, broadleaf thyme, fine leaf thyme, shana beni, which is cilantro, some cut up garlic with pepper. So now before we start, we're going to put the onions. Let the onion cook up a little bit so it whittle down. So as you can see, the onions are already soft. We add the garlic and the pepper. And then we add the green seasoning. Cook it up for a little bit. What I like to do, I like to add my salt. So it cooked up nicely. And then I add my black eyed peas. Mixed it up a little bit. As you can see, that is cooking. And then I add my black bean to it. We stir it up a little bit. And let it boil for about 10-15 minutes. We will be right back to show you how to complete this. Alright, so the black eyed peas is boiling. I'm frying my chicken. So let's see the peas if it's boiled. Want about like 5 minutes more. Then we will add the rice in. And then it's gonna cook. Focus to the chicken and the rice. Okay, so we're throwing in the rice. Stir it up. Covered for about 20-25 minutes. In the meantime, I'm frying the chicken. Nice and brown. Each side like 15 minutes each until it's brown golden color. And then I'm going to take it out. Okay, so our cook up is finished. So it's time to taste.
Cục có 7. Oh, she put the pepper. Real pepper?
And here we have our fried chicken. Have some breadfruit. And we have some tomato, cucumber, strawberries, a little salsa to go with the cook up. And I gotta get a fork. Okay guys, here's my plate, my cook-up, my fried chicken, breadfruit. I have a piece of plantain. And my salsa. So let's taste. Mmm, yummy. Breezy cucumber. I wish you were here to taste. Mmm. Fried breadfruit. Very good. Fried chicken. That's my plate. Very tasty, very delicious. Thank you. Make sure you cook it like I cook it so you can enjoy it. Like and subscribe my channel. And thank you.